Hello, True Crime Stories family. Disgraced South Carolina attorney Alex Murdaugh has agreed to plead guilty to nearly 24 federal charges, alleging he stole millions of dollars from clients, according to a plea agreement signed Monday and filed in South Carolina U.S. District Court. In the agreement, which must still be approved by a federal judge, Alex accepts guilty pleas to 22 federal charges, including wire fraud, bank fraud, money laundering, and conspiracy to commit wire fraud and bank fraud. The charges carry a maximum punishment of 20 years in federal prison, with some carrying a maximum of 30 years. The plea is related to an alleged scheme carried out by Murdaugh with the assistance of a bank employee in which the now disbarred lawyer is accused of defrauding his personal injury clients and laundering more than $7 million of funds, according to an indictment. Alex is accused in the indictment of using the settlement funds for his personal benefit, including using the proceeds to pay off personal loans and for personal expenses and cash withdrawals. After being convicted of the deaths of his wife and son at his South Carolina Lowcountry estate, Alex has already been sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. But the disbarred attorney remains entangled in several other state and federal cases in which he faces more than 100 other charges. If Alex complies with the conditions of the plea bargain, federal attorneys have agreed to recommend in court that HR serve any prison sentence on the federal charges concurrent to any state sentence he receives for the same alleged crimes, according to the document. Separately, Alex is also set to stand trial in November on charges related to stolen settlement funds from the family of the Murdaugh's housekeeper, Gloria Satterfield. They are the first of dozens of state charges he faces in alleged schemes to defraud victims of millions. The financial crimes he is accused of in the case include embezzlement, computer crime, money laundering, and tax evasion.